Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn money just by renting out and sharing your car. Oh my god. So if you have a car, you're not using it too much and it's just parked somewhere, you can start making hundreds per month this way. So let's get started. Let me show you. Before we get started, if you are not wanting to rent out your car and you just want to make a big money online, come to my channel art here and click this link to learn some online skills that's required to make big money online, and you can make passively online this way, okay? So this is the link that you need to go to. If you're on mobile, just go to the tab that says About, and you see it on the bottom of that page. Alright guys, so the site that I'm going to show you right now is getaround.com. This is the site where anybody can go to rent a car if you need a car, okay? And you rent it from people who own the cars. Instantly rent cars near you. Unlock from your phone by the hour or day. Rent cars near you. Conveniently hourly or daily rentals. Insurance included. A car for every ride. Rent a Tesla or a truck by the hour or day. Instant access, all options, no membership, insurance included. So see, you can see cars in Europe or see cars in the US. So that's pretty cool, right? So if you want to start renting your car out, let's see how it works up here. How Getaround works. Rent and unlock great cars nearby, all on your phone. What is car sharing? Getaround is a car sharing platform powered by the Getaround Connect technology, which provides drivers access to rent and unlock great cars shared by people nearby. What makes Getaround great? Keyless entry, variety, and convenience. Get going with Getaround. Let's see. Let's look at the people who are going, the owners of the cars. How it works. Car sharing with Getaround. Car share confidently and earn effortlessly with Getaround. Share a car. It's easy to car share with Getaround. So you enroll your car. Ready? I'm just going to make this bigger. Enroll your car. You're going to basically submit your info, and our onboarding team will follow up to help set up your Connect device installation and Getaround car profile. Get connected. We'll install your Connect device, which enables renters to access your vehicle. It also provides enhanced security for your ride so you can car share with confidence. Share and earn. When you set up your car's availability and publish the description page, your car is ready to go. When drivers book your car, you earn effortlessly. Be responsible. Owners manage their car's availability and are also responsible for keeping their vehicles well maintained and road ready for our community of drivers. Insurance and mileage. Your vehicle and its drivers are covered with insurance and roadside assistance during a Getaround trip. 24/7 roadside assistance. That's pretty cool that it comes with that. Daily mileage limits. Cars on Getaround have a base mileage limit. 200 daily miles for standard cars and 100 daily miles for specialty cars. Additional mileage beyond the standard limits result in mileage fees for the driver. 1 million insurance coverage. Your vehicle is covered by Getaround's 1 million insurance policy during all active trips. Our policy includes comprehensive collision and liability coverage administered by Broadspire. And then there's customer support. They provide full service support and they have monthly earnings. So this is pretty good, guys. And I also found this page over here where it says start earning with Getaround. Let your car pay for itself. So you can make extra money. Turn your car into a second paycheck with no driving necessary. You're paid monthly. Earn thousands per year actively sharing your parked car. You can set up your own schedule. Listing your car is free and managing rentals is easy. You can choose how and when to rent your car. rentals are managed through the app and smart card technology. We've got you covered. Every trip includes $1 million insurance. Okay, we went through that already. We've gone through that. See, sharing your car takes up to 10 cars off the road, eliminating pollution and traffic. Sharing your cars make a difference. Where your phone and car connect. Subscribe to Get Around Connect to share your car. We'll install it for you. You'll always know where your car is parked and can unlock it with your phone. Connect prevents theft and captures renter driving patterns for your peace of mind. So there are some sample people who have rented out their cars. And as you can see, the longer that you've been renting your car, the more you can earn. So these guys have been earning quite a bit. And there was a video here that I checked out which kind of mentioned how much that people were earning per month. And they're saying that the best months are around 500 to 600 bucks a month. And so that's a pretty good side income. If you have a car and it's just sitting around, you can earn this way an extra paycheck on the side per month. A few $100s is not bad at all. So this is pretty cool. So let's check out the review of this app on Google Play. It is rated 4 stars. Looks like maybe 4.1 with 3,700 people reviewing it. So that's a pretty good rating. So 4.2 actually. And so 2 star, 1 star, 1 star, 3 star. This doesn't have been 100,000 installs. But if you check out the Apple Store, it's highly rated on the Apple Store. I don't know why there's a huge difference in the rating, but there's also a lot more people on the Apple Store rating at 18,000 people versus almost 4,000. So people with iPhones really like this app at 4.8 out of 5. So it must be fun for them to rent out their cars, and they must be the one making a lot of money with this. So it's a great app for some people, and it's an okay app for Android people. Well, 4.2 is still not so bad, but anyway, these are the two reviews that I was going to show you. So if you're able to do this and save that money, that'd be awesome, because then you can also invest that money into a program like I was telling you about in the beginning of this video. And what you can do is learn some online skills, okay? If you want to earn passively and earn online a lot more, then you should check out the link that I have in my channel art banner on my channel, and check out how to learn some online skills like the way I have, and I will explain more about the program where I learned how to do this. And this is really the way to earn passively, because you can learn how to get visitors automatically on autopilot every single day, 24/7. So that means that you can earn passively 24/7 as well. I don't have a car to rent out, so this is what I do online. So if you want to earn like me passively 24/7 a day, earning commissions this way, check it out. And I hope you will make big money soon, guys. Okay? So if you like this video today, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video. It will really help out my channel. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can see more ways to make money online, guys. And hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. Okay, guys? I really hope you make some money this way, or make big money online like I have. All right? I'll see you on the next video. Bye.